chaps on to get chaps. Telehealth a lot of stuff.
This got a brand new sharpened chain. Y'all know it's sharp. Y'all watch them cut that wood. It's pretty sharp.
Where's the safest place to stand close?
I think within 10, about 10 foot.
Off there, which way is it going?
Down.
What?
Now some of them, if the chain flies on,
Yeah.
it's gonna kick back. And also, I'm gonna show y'all that. Yes, right here you got a chain kick, chain stop.
It's like that one's been touched a couple
It
times.
has.
That 261 is just as bad, if not worse. I had it fly off and move it in the way too.
Put on a helmet.
Just in case.
Where's your glove?
Give me a little gap right there. And there it is.
Yeah, better than the leg. Yeah, you're never getting that shit out of there.
Oh, it come in.
An orange scrunch to it?
Yeah, I just pull that off. The side cover off, but this.
Will you take that home and just glue that back together?
No, I'll throw it away.
Still some fabric over it now? Yeah, just some duct
You
tape.
just put it in the doors of your truck, and you'll be bulletproof.
That's the one I got last time. That's this one.
Is it?
Yeah.
So I cut the other leg on
Flip
it.
it over, use it again on the other side.
I just want to see underneath it and see how far it got into the wood, if it did. Paper or something.
It didn't get into the wood.
Barely made it through it.
That tangled it up pretty quick.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's just full of crap. Well, how hard is that to fix?
You ain't fixed. What do you mean fixed?
Like, you gotta take the bar off and just
oh.
swap
Oh yeah, we'll get that out. We'll just get it out of there.
We just glue the fibers back together. So
Yeah.
it. The pants box. Making the sauce.
Yeah, it's a mess, man. It's in that chain.
Look, it's all in the sprocket and all that
That's just
stuff.
duct tape, right? Little duct tape over in the phone.
That's good shit, man.
We'll get it out of there so we can see
Hold on
that.
before you cut it out of there. That's what happens when you hit chainsaw chaps. It tangles all in the chain, the sprocket, everything. Going and buying every version of chap I can get to know.
You have some in there on the shelf, John.
Huh?
You have some in there on the shelf.
Yeah, they look brand new. You notice they're still creased?
Yeah.
They're
Still have the factory rolling them.
Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply.
I'm gonna know.
Two sets together, each leg.
I'm gonna cut their shit apart and take their Kevlar and put it inside some multicam black.
There you go.
Pockets.
Reds.
Speed reload on the scrunches.
Speed reload.
Well, now you'll need a chest rig for that.
We did some Wildland stuff that had bottles
Right.
of fuel and fusies and shit.
Now it did crawl.
Let me tell
You
you
can
what.
see where it crawled
In here, this
and
guy's-
pulled the side of it.
What is it, north?
So, but it didn't actually go through the back of it.
So it didn't get the.
What it did, when it caught it, it pulled the, because I didn't have it the way I had it strapped down. I kind of hit and it kind of crawled and pulled it like this. But it never.
You got it just a little piece right there.
This shit showed up on the property last year.
You put it.
Pull it.
Might have a little cut. It ain't gonna be
Pull it.
an artery or a leg off.
Right. Either way, I think you'd be way better off with these on. If you did get a cut.
Guy who always tells people,
Wear chaps.